Yo, what's going on, YouTube? We back with another video today. I know it's been a hot minute since I posted. I think it might be like over a month by the time y'all see this. No, yeah, over a month. It's been a little hectic lately, I ain't gonna lie. You know, bills got paid, got work, school, all that. So I'm not trying to spend too much money on car parts, but I do have big plans coming for y'all, so don't worry. But today we got another install for the Civic because he's been needing one, I'm not gonna lie. But look at this, the car is looking pretty good today. Dude, I always look at the grill, bro. It looks so nice. Just recently gave her a wash, even though it rained today, but still on stock wheels for now. But it looks dirty, I'm not gonna lie, but the car's pretty clean. But anyways, let's go back to the video. So we got an install for the Civic today. I already got it up on jack stands. Let me go ahead and flip the camera and show y'all what we about to install. So Tim got, not a brand new, but new to him, MA Performance race exhaust with the quad tip. But the seller that he bought it off of, for some reason, I don't know how he lost a tip, but he lost a tip. So Tim's gonna hit him up so he can get a new one. If not, he might get an all 4 set. But burnt tips, and he's probably just gonna run the 2 middles as of right now until he get the new one shipped out. And I don't know if I put in this video or not, but we'll see. Like I said, we jacked the car up and got everything ready. But we had thought that the front pipe was a cat back. So we took off the under tray. So we kind of wasted our time with that. But anyways, let's get with the exhaust video. I'm gonna try to get my best to show y'all the angles, but car's barely off the ground. So let's see how this goes. Yo, look at my crotch, bro. I got gibbets galore, none of them little dirty. Look at Tim's singular gibbets, bro. What the hell is that, bro? What you guys say about that?
I got it off you.
Bro, oh my God. I was wondering why one was missing. But end of the day, let's get started with the install today. Look at this man's dirty car. I don't know what he went through. Probably went through the trenches or something. It's so dirty. But if I get under here, show you real quick.
Show 'em.
All right, WD-40 all over, and down there is the 3 exhaust bolts for the cat back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the exhaust. There's not that much room to show y'all right now. So I'll get back to y'all whenever that is done. All right, so stock exhaust, aftermarket. Look at how thick the pipes are compared to this. I think it's like a 2, but it's also like flattened. It's not like a full round. This is a full 3 round pipe. Resonator, and here's a connection to the front pipe. Yeah, MAP. Hey, MAP with what's it called? I forgot what these are called. Dang, I forgot what it's called. But yeah, the connections. So let's go ahead. I guess it'd be, I think, 3 pieces because plug connects to the down pipe, the mid pipe, and then the actual rest of the pipe, or whatever it's called, actual back, and the tips. So just go ahead and get this part installed. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the bolts, the nuts for this part right here, a pain in the ass, bro. Me and Tim had to both muscle through it just to get it through. But yeah, let's get this part installed. All right, so Tim's about to turn this car on with no exhaust, see what it sounds like. Oh, that's so quiet. It also could be a warm start.
Why does it sound so quiet?
Is it cold? No, right?
No, it's not a cold start.
Hey, rev it a little bit. That's weird, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so it's those 3 bolts back there. I can't really tell from this angle. That's like that 1 bolt. It's just a triangle pattern. So yeah. So we got the pipe on, stamp on, bolts tighten down, everything. Just resonator and the pipe. Now let's connect that on. Yeah, that's way deeper. That's way deeper. All right, so we got the rest of the exhaust to connect right there with a clamp and hangers, and then the tips, and then we should be good after. Go ahead and put y'all down and get that working. in. Now we just need the tips. We're gonna go 2 middle for now, and then eventually we'll get the 4. But y'all wouldn't believe what happened. I was gonna tighten down one of these clamps, and the bolt freaking snapped on me, bro. And I didn't even go crazy. But yeah, let's go and see the full exhaust, everything on, see the sound test. All right, you got the car fully off the jacks. Let's go on the ride and see what this sounds like. And here's those for y'all. We're wondering what the 2 tips look like instead of the 4, but it's okay. We're gonna get 2 more. We would have 3, but the clamp broke. We would actually would have run 2 anyways, but let's see what the car sounds like. Yo, bro, he's looking at me. I don't know who that is. Yeah, I don't know who this is, bro. Who is this? Yeah, who you is, bro? All right, so with new exhaust, it's not as loud because he sells a resonator, but it's okay because when he gets a down pipe, front pipe, it's gonna sound super good, in my opinion. So you don't want it to be too raspy and stuff. This light doesn't die on me. There you go. But car looks great. Looks great with the burnt tips, of which we have 4, to be honest. But it's okay. We're gonna get some anyways. Yeah, right now car is coming up. My bad for not posting in a hot minute. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Life's been busy. But I'm gonna try to hop back on this grind, especially with the better content coming soon. You know, better content, aka just more money spent. So you gotta get the money first, and now you gotta get better content. You feel me? And everything like that. If y'all like the video, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Y'all get posted whenever I post a new video. And I'll see y'all later.